Ever have those days where you feel so uninspired, unmotivated, and just down overall? You spend all day on the couch, endless amount of time scrolling on Instagram. Yeah, me too. I've been feeling down lately, so let me show you how I refill my cup and practice the art of self-care. Now, self-care looks different for everyone. For me, it's a combination of a lot of little things that refuel me. I usually start by cleaning up my space. A clean space makes me feel so much better. It makes me feel like I have control of my environment. It makes me feel a lot calmer and just uplift my mood overall. Now let's change into something comfortable and force ourselves to move our bodies. Admittedly, I never really want to work out, but I know the benefits, especially when I'm down. Getting my blood pumping 9 times out of 10 picks up my mood as well. Obviously, there's a lot of studies that shows the benefits of working out and exercising. For me, I feel a lot less stressed. I sleep so much better and gives me that mental clarity that gets my creative juice flowing once again. And it also recenters me, so I feel a lot less anxious overall. Before I start to work out, I'm going to make myself this green juice. This food powder is filled with alkalizing greens, fruits, and herbs. It's packed with natural vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to help boost your overall health and vitality. It also forces me to drink a lot of water as well, so that's another reason why I absolutely love doing this. The right music will have you moving in no time. Music is such a big part of my life, big part of my mood. I listen to it honestly every single day. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know this. Music is life. And look at these shoulders, Jennifer. It's also time for me to spend with Sylvester. Half of my workouts is spent playing with him. He's such a good sport. He's always out there with me, and it's kind of like our everyday thing. Whenever I work out, he comes down, and it's always a good time. By that time, I feel quite good. I feel accomplished, like I did something good for the day. I did something for me, for my body. So now it's time to get into taking care of the exterior. I take my oral care very seriously. I used to work at a dental office, and the things that I've seen there, I cannot unsee. I'm a huge fan of electric toothbrushes, and of course, always, always, always brush your tongue. I told you the right song will have you moving in no time. This is the cleanser I've been using to wash my skin. It's pretty gentle, it's very hydrating, so I enjoy it. And I always follow up with an exfoliator. Today I'm using the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. It's gentle enough for daily use, but visibly brightens, improves the look of skin texture, and clear your pores. So I'm using a face wash for my body wash because I have it, and I don't love it for my face, but I love it for my body. Honestly, I wish Rihanna will come out with a body wash and use the same formula because it smells amazing. It's very moisturizing. It's perfect for the body. For the face, I just find it a little too thick. I don't like the consistency on my face, but on my body, yes. Plus, I'm a huge advocate of not wasting money. Saving your money is an act of self-care, okay? So if I buy something, I'm going to find a way to use it. I'm going to shave today using this razor. It's called Flamingo. It has 5 blades, so it does give a very close shave. Typically I get laser hair removal, but with the pandemic I haven't been able to go, so I do have to shave every couple of months. And this is my least favorite part. I love getting a pedicure, but I hate scrubbing my feet myself. But we are in a global pandemic, so I am choosing my battles. Because crusty heels are just not cute. They've never been cute. So, anywho, I'm going to rinse off my body. I like to spend an extra 5 minutes just letting the warm water hit my body. It relaxes me. I do all my thinking in the shower. So, I like to just spend that time alone. Once I'm done, I'm going to dry off, obviously, and now it's time to moisturize my entire body. I'm using this body cream that I got for Christmas. I'm almost done. Also have this one ready to go. I have something with spending a lot of money on body lotions. I just use so much of it every day that I just don't know. Let me know in the comments if you're like me. I just can't really get myself to spend, let's say, $30 on a body lotion when I can get these ones from Walmart and they work just as well. It's time to slip into something comfortable. I got this loungewear set from Amazon. Yes, I am so surprised at the quality. It's super cute. The detailing is really nice. The quality of the fabric is it for me. It's so soft. I wish you guys could touch it. But yeah, don't sleep on Amazon fashion, girl. And just like that, it's time for skincare. I'm using this essence to re-moisturize my skin. The camera is obviously not cooperating. Follow up by this mask. I like to focus on a lot of moisturizing products, and this mask is designed to naturally open your pores and replenish all the necessary nourishment for healthier, younger looking skin. The consistency is very much like honey, and it moisturizes my skin so well. Now I'm looking like a glazed donut and I feel really good. I like to take a little bit of alcohol behind my ears just to make sure everything is clean. And now we're going to move on to moisturizing our hair. There's something about doing my hair that relaxes me, that makes me feel really good. I'm also using the time to take care of my scalp and giving myself a good scalp massage. Now that's the icing on the cake for me because it feels so good to get a scalp massage. If you're not doing it, you need to start immediately. So I've given up entirely on going to get my nails done. It's one of the things that I miss so much about pre-pen pizza times. But I still like to keep myself tidy, so I'm just going to file my nails down and I'm going to cut my toenails. Now there's something about cutting my toenails to some music that makes me feel like a teenager again. So as much as I miss the nail salon, I enjoy the time that I spend taking care of myself. So that's one of the good things about this pandemic, is the fact that it really just recentered and reconnected you to all the little things that you used to do, but then stopped doing. So let's wrap up our skincare. Spritzing the same essence on my skin once again, followed by this I Am Rice toner. I love this toner. Obviously, it's done. I've been using the Snell Mucin essence. This has a very interesting consistency. It's very gooey-like, but it feels so good on the skin. It protects your skin for moisture loss and keep your skin smooth and healthy without the use of heavy oils. Then we're going in with niacinamide, another favorite of mine. It's almost done, but we are using every last drop. It reduces the look of stretched pores. It helps to improve your skin texture. It has a lot of antioxidants and brightens dull skin tone. To target my acne scars and hyperpigmentation, I'm using the Sweet Chef Ginger and Vitamin C Serum. It provides a shot of antioxidants and potent vitamin C to keep my skin hydrated and radiant. And to seal all of that in, we're using the Believe Cream Moisturizing Balm. This is an explosion of comforting moisture. It leaves my skin very supple, smooth, and deeply nourished. So I've been into face yoga lately. I'm not an expert. I just started doing this, but it feels so good just massaging my skin like that, especially when I get to the temples. I guess I've been carrying a lot of stress on my head. I don't know, but it just feels so good. I do have one pimple coming through, and I have just the thing. On a cotton pad, I'm adding this Yonka Revitalizing Solution. It's perfect for pimples, especially when they're just about to come in. So I'll use the solution, and the next day they're gone. So this is a perfect little thing to have. An esthetician actually sold me on it, and at first I was like, girl, you just stole my money, because it's not cheap, but it's really good for blemishes. Now, what to eat? We spent all day doing self-care and we're starving. I'm going to eat something pretty nutritious. Thank God for leftovers. So some rice, salmon, and some veggies. I also just started this book and there are so many good reviews on it, so I'm excited to get into it. And I wrapped up the day by talking to my brother. It's kind of like therapy talking to my brother. We go so deep into our childhood, things that happened, things that we didn't understand, but that shaped us as adults. So it's been really good talking to him. And that is it. That's how I take care of my mind, body, and soul, especially when I'm feeling down, so I can get out of a funk. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it inspires you to take better care of yourself, especially in these trying times. And I'll see you in my next one.